stop spinning because yes, that's how Daddy rolls.
Fine.
Oh, no! Wait a minute! Hey guys, it is time for the D&M Toy Club. Let's go!
Hey guys, welcome back to the D&M Toy Club. We are going to do some Beyblade battles.
We got our Beyblade battles. Marky, which ones do we have today, buddy?
We have Ultra Cognite.
Ultra Cognite.
And
Excalibur. Excalibur.
Excalibur.
Yeah, it sounds like Excalibur. Okay,
Excalibur.
you ready to do the battle? I know I'm gonna burst you in 2 seconds. You ready? All right, let's get them all cranked up. We have 1, 2, 3, go! Holy mackerel! You blew up mine. You burst mine like in 2 seconds. That was crazy.
You just said that you were gonna burst.
I know, I was gonna burst you. Guys, did you see that? That was a crazy burst. Alright, let's do round 2. Alright, let's put them together real quick. Let's get going here.
Yep.
Alright, well, you don't have to put yours together. Mine's the one that bursted. Bursted. Okay, guys, so Markies, which one do we have here? Let's explain what we got, because we're going to do different battles. It's a new one you got. Isn't it new? Check out the bottom on that one.
It's kind of new. I got them a couple, like, 1 month ago.
Yeah, their names are pretty difficult to remember. We got so many.
Longness.
And then we've got a whole bunch. So we're going to mix these all up. We're going to mix and match. And we're going to do some different battles with each one of these.
Burst Trident. Drain Fafnir. And, Zillion Zutron. Yegdrion.
Wait, does this guy have like, is there like little ball bearings in there? There are little ball bearings.
And I colored him.
Alright, cool. Alright, I'm going to put these down and let's do our battle. Alright, here we go. And then we're going to mix it up. Let's do this. We still have, which one is this one? Excalius, and then you're still going. Okay. This is round 2. 1, 2, 3, let them rip.
Again!
Did I burst again? No way. Dude, yours is like way too strong for mine. Alright. Alright, let's pick out 2 new ones. Okay, so we're back again. We got 2 new Beyblades. Marquise, which one is this guy?
Blast Genius and
Blast Genius.
Blast Genius has
Whoa.
this part
Did you
that
see the bottom
comes
of
up.
it? Yeah, I know.
This comes up when it like has a defense.
So it has, this one's a defense guy, right?
And then just let you guys know, if you guys want to scan it onto the game and you guys don't have it, here's the code.
Okay, cool. Yeah, we want to keep it right here so everybody sees it on the camera.
There it is.
Alright, cool. I'm going to put this together. Alright, what's your other guy? Who am I battling? This is going to be mine, guys. And then Marquise has, what's his name?
Burst Trident.
Burst Trident.
So here's the top.
Cool. Burst Trident.
And then here is the scan thing if you want to scan them.
You remember on the bottom, they already said they have these little scan tags. You can, those Q codes, I think they're called.
Then here's the middle.
Sweet. Alright, so let's get them put together so we can battle. Let's get them put together so we can do our battles.
Is this. You get to turn this part.
Yeah.
And then you can go to attack mode and then stamina.
Alright guys, so here we go. Another Beyblade battle. Of course I'm going to win. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's actually a battle. You didn't burst me this time. Daddy's going to take you down. Daddy's going to take you down. I got it. I got it. By the way, guys, you may notice the tape here. We taped up the edges because we kept having, every single time we did it, a bay would get stuck in there. So we kind of customized our stage. Oh, I did win. Sweet. All right, guys, so we're back with our 3rd round. And Daddy won. It's Daddy 1, Marco 1.
Change,
so here we go.
First trident to attack mode.
I'm doing Bubblegum Blue. That's his name. Bubblegum Blue. Let's go.
Last genius.
Yeah, I'm a genius. I know. You ready? Go. Oh, we got... Oh, wait a minute. No way. Did you see that? You actually... All right, you're going to burst. I feel a burst coming on. Oh, Daddy won again. Daddy won again. Marquise, who's this guy? Drain Fafnir? Is that what you said?
He has
So
rubber
why is his name Drain Fafnir? What does he do?
He has rubber to drain right here on his mane to drain the
Oh, to drain the energy from the other.
Yeah,
that's right.
then he gains the energy.
Let me see yours. Who else do we got? Who's he battling?
DK
Knox, guys. Check out DK Knox.
He has a spring right here. He has a spring right here. And he also has a spinning thing.
On the spinning top, it's like a top on the bottom too? What? I've never seen one like that before. Check those out, guys.
Hey, I challenge you to a mommy and daddy challenge.
Mommy and daddy challenge. Yeah. Well, daddy's the winner here. All right, let's roll. Let's make this happen, Cap. All right, here we go. We're going to do our Beyblade battle. Oh, wait, I got to put my cord in. Hold on. We can't do it yet. Daddy's new to all this.
Then we're going to do a mom and dad battle on the same video.
Mommy's going to go down. She's going down. She doesn't know how to do Beyblade. Oh, wait a minute. I don't even know how to put this on. All right, hold on, guys. It's coming.
No, that guy, this guy, now you're going to have to use... No. Now you're going to have to use this launcher.
Oh, okay, here. You're confusing me.
Then you have to do...
Oh, my goodness gracious.
He's a left spin.
All right, let's get this rolling. All these kids want to see the battles. They don't want to hear us talk. It's not sticking.
You have to go in the other way. You have to put him in the other way. Oh my god.
Yeah. All right, here we go. On 1, 2, 3. I'm the blue guy. No, wait, I'm the green guy. Sorry. Yep, you're going down.
Marco's gonna win.
No, he's not.
Yes,
Daddy's won all of them except for half of them.
Well, I'm gonna revenge.
Oh, this is a boring battle. There's nothing happening, nothing exciting. Come on, burst. Somebody burst. Explosion. We need
you're draining my power!
Am I? Well, it needs to drain faster because this is like a boring battle.
Wait,
I want to see some violence.
I'm winning!
See some bursting. Come on. The green one. I'm the green one.
You lose, my daddy.
No. Oh, you kidding me? So we have, again, we're back for our third and final battle. What is this guy's name again?
Drain
Fafnir. All right. Let's get ready to rumble. It's Daddy. But wait. Why is it not working? Hold on again. Still not working.
You're on the right
Holy
spin.
macaroni.
You're on the right spin.
What do you got to do? The left spin?
Yeah.
Oh, you're confused.
Wow,
this is crazy. All right. Okay, here we go. All right, you're going down. You're losing. This is for $150 million. You ready?
No,
Let's go.
it's not.
Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, and Beyblade.
I'm gonna win against you.
I'm the green guy. I'm absorbing all your energy.
Not right now.
You're going down.
My
You're going down. Come on now, please. Let's do a burst.
I'm going under and hitting
You are going under. You're going to go downtown, Julie Brown.
I'm going under and hitting your metal.
Nope. Look at me. Look at this. I'm only going faster and faster as you get drained of your energy. You know I'm going to win. Here we go. Guys, if you are voting for Daddy, leave a comment down below that Daddy won. Marky.
I win!
Oh, goodness gracious. You won again. All right, Mommy and it's going to be now Mommy and Marco. Guys, so it's going to be Mommy versus Daddy this time. Actually, I thought it was going to be Mommy and Marco, but we're going to do it this time. Daddy has Marky. What's the name of this? The black guy?
Ultra Cognite.
He's Ultra Cognite, the black one there.
And I have...
And then, okay, here's Mommy. Put it down here so everybody can see it, Mommy. Valtriac. Whoa, dude, look at... Oh, Valtriac, whatever.
And I'm going to destroy Daddy.
Okay, guys, who do you think is going to win? Leave a comment down below. Let us know, because I'm going to destroy Mommy. You ready? All right, here we go. All right, I think we're good. Wait, hold on. 1, 2... Oh, goodness gracious. This is what happens when your parents play with your Beyblades, guys. 1, 2, 3, go!
What?
That was the most boring Beyblade battle in the history of Beyblades. Fantastic. Let's try it again. This is round 2, and our Beyblade. Mommy's gonna lose again. Last time we both lost, actually.
No, I won.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. Let it rip. Oh yes. Wait a minute. Who am I again? Am I the orange guy?
You're the green guy.
Green guy. Okay.
Yeah, green and orange.
Yep. Mommy is the blue one.
No.
And she is going to stop spinning because yes, that's how Daddy rolls.
Fine.
Oh, wait a minute.
At first,
no way.
What? That doesn't count.
Fine.